Are you the type of person who is bubbling with lots of ideas and dreams but is unable to realize them in your life? Or are you the type of person who is interested in many things and unable to focus on any of them and end up confused and end up doing nothing? Or are you the type of person who is thinking that it is because of other people or the circumstances of your life you are unable to realize your dreams? If this describes you, then concentration is for you. Whatever you want to accomplish in your life, whether it is material goals or spiritual goals, there is one thing that is completely, absolutely indispensable. It is the power of concentration. Concentration is your ability to gather all your scattered movements of attention and energies and focus them upon a single goal, a single idea, a single objective, consistently and persistently, without wavering, for a long period of time till you accomplish your goals. In a way, it's quite simple and easy. We all do it naturally and spontaneously. For example, when you come across something fascinating, when you're watching an interesting movie, you're totally absorbed, your attention is gathered, you're absorbed, you're one with what you're observing. That is a spontaneous, natural concentration. The same thing happens when there is an emergency situation. You spontaneously spring forth into action with all your energies and attention gathered. But the trouble is, all these are driven by external situations. It's not your inner will, it's not your inner capacity. It's driven by external situation. Left to itself, when there is nothing to do, nothing fascinating around, no emergencies, no deadlines, then mind is wandering from one thing to other. If you look at your observations or your attention, you can see that it is wandering from one thing to other like a butterfly, fluttering all the time, aimlessly. At least a butterfly is looking for honey, but our attention is randomly moving. So are our thoughts, randomly moving from one thought to another. And it's not only our mental energies that are getting scattered, but the whole vital and physical energies get scattered. We are in a state of constant dispersion of energies. It is the normal, untrained state of our mind, our vital energies, and our physical movements and energies. And this is what we must stop. Once we are able to gather the scattered movements of attention and energy and focus upon a single goal, single objective, three things happen. First, the more you focus, the more you concentrate, your goal becomes more and more precise and clear, and it begins to blossom forth. Second, whatever you set to do, small or big, that begins to happen faster. You can save a lot of time. Third, it is in this concentration, this intensity of will, the origin of joy lies. Because this gives you the power to receive energies in exchange for those you spent. When you set your energies in a chosen direction, the universe responds abundantly and pours back its energies upon you, and you will have the power to receive. And therein lies the joy. These are the gifts concentration brings: clarity, speed, and joy. And it's a fundamental skill to develop no matter what you want to accomplish in your life. And it is the lack of concentration that makes you wander from one idea to another, one thing to other, and gets confused. And it is not because of other people and the circumstances of your life you're unable to accomplish your dreams. It is the lack of concentration, the fundamental skill. And as you practice this and as you develop it, concentration becomes your natural state. You are not in a state of dispersion of energies, but you are gathered, and you can direct your energies towards whatever you want to accomplish. And your work becomes more and more effortless. Your goals begins to happen spontaneously and naturally, and you increasingly enter a state of flow. That's the gift of concentration.